So how to fix TikTok effect problem. So in this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix any effect or filter problem in less than 1 minute. So there's actually an easy way to do it. Just go to the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager as you can see right here. After you open the apps, now here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do here is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down, click on TikTok, and then on this page you have to click on this option right here. When you click on this option, now your app is gonna be stopped, and then go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache, and then you have to open the Play Store, search for TikTok and click on this up to date option. When you click on this option, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.